everybody, it's Joanne from Joanne Ralstin Art. Welcome to Friday with Friends. I think we're all here today. I'm not sure. I'm making this the day before, so I probably will not have dry results. So I'll give you a close-up of wet results. I'm trying to do a commission piece. The painting I did Monday, I got a call, she wants one done, but she wants it in blue instead of lagoon, and I'm gonna try to do it. But she wants the same colors. But doing it, I wanted to lighten up the cappuccino. To me, it was too dark for the blue. So, I mixed in some cinnamon and some Whitehaven to get a lighter brown. I like it real well. So we're going to see what we can do with it. So let's get started. As I was saying, welcome to Friday with Friends. Awesome group of ladies. All right, folks. I'm not a happy camper right now. For some odd reason, my camera kicked off. Okay? I'm just going to tell you where I am right now and what I'm using. It's white PPG paint as the pillow. I used Indigo Waves and Rove. Let me check. I just heard a noise. See if it kicked off again. No, it's still going. Needless to say, I'm pissed. This is the second time it's done that. Anyway, PPG. This is Indigo Waves and Rave TLP mixed together. That's the blue. This is cappuccino, cinnamon, and Whitehaven mixed together. And that's the brown you're seeing in there. I wanted it lighter. And then I used TLP Golden Peach, TLP Ore, and TLP Whitehaven with a touch of Amsterdam White in it, because I wanted it to really pop more and not be just an interference. The order I put that on was the blue, the brown, the peach, the Whitehaven, the Ore, and then the cell activator was my Prussian blue. And this, I don't know if it caught it all, is a commission for a friend who loved Last Mondays and wanted one done in blue. The blow dryer I used this time was my BB Tops. And I got a better cell activation going on here. Right now, I'm trying to spin it, and that's when I looked up and it was off. So now it's on, and I'm going to spin it out. I'm so sorry you missed all that. And the camera's completely repositioned, so I have and turned the other way. So I don't know if you can see me. I pray you can't. But if you can, I'm a mess today. This was, I'm going to paint before a shower day. And because of the size of my spinner, I cannot put it in a direction to let gravity take effect. So I really wanted more of the Whitehaven and the other colors in there. That blue is so strong. I'm gonna try going the other way. Spin out some more. Let me put just a little more paint to help it. Other places are perfect. Oh, she's gonna love this. She's a blue person. Oh. But anyway, in the part that you missed, this is Friday with Friends. Hopefully Janet is feeling better and she's part of this. I don't know yet. Haven't checked my messages. Acrylic Creations by Mary Kirk is at 7. I am at 7:15, which you're seeing me now. Generally, Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty. I may be getting these names all mixed up. Is after me at 7:30 if she's feeling well. If she's not here, please say an extra prayer for her. She's a good lady and we want her to feel better. And then it's Oak by Bettina, Betty, who's generally at 7:45 but might be at 7:30. I don't know if we have any guests tonight. Because, like I said, I haven't checked the messages before I made this video. That's the downfall. And I don't like doing talkovers. It just, I don't know. I just don't like them. I like to hear people while they're painting. And oh, I love that middle. It's so cute. It kind of looks like, as it's spinning around, a turtle. All right, we're almost there. I'm going to give her one more. See, let me turn this. And this time I'm going to make sure my fingers are clean. Here's his head. Here's his little arm. And there's his shell coming behind him. It looks like a turtle. To do is bring you in for a nice close-up on the wet results. Okay. check everything. Let's see what we got here. Need to work a little bit on two sides. Here's my stick. Take your stick and just find a spot. Now let's take a little more paint off. Sorry about that. One more time. Let's go the other direction. Oh. I will probably speed the tilting part up. And if I do, you won't hear me say that. Remember to put your thumb down. All right. Okay, here we are for the wet results. And this is just in case. Look at those cells and lacing. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. And look at the colors. You can see the ore and the cappuccino cinnamon mix. There's a touch of the peach in there. If you look closely, there's some more touch of the peach. It's really, really pretty. Oh, that part's really pretty. And then here's the center. I saved it for last. It looks like a turtle swimming. And the water underneath him, it really looks cool. But there she is. Thank you so much for coming. I hope you enjoyed Friday with Friends. And if you don't mind, hit a thumbs up for all us ladies. Please share, comment, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. And everybody, oh, I can't get a hold of my camera. I got paint all over my hands. Please, I love you. Please share that love and the love of art. It's awesome fun. It can be a headache like today, but thank you for being patient with me. I will do better next time, I promise. Bye-bye.